Are you tired of missing important messages while on the go? In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is crucial. Textline's mobile app allows you to message customers directly from your smartphone. Whether you're in the field or at your desk, Textline keeps you in touch. Enjoy the freedom to send SMS surveys, toggle between departments, and transfer conversations seamlessly. Access individual contact details with just a tap. What makes Textline exceptional? Our app is the most secure and compliant business texting option out there. Your communications are safe, no matter where you are. Try Textline free for 14 days, no credit card required. Download the iPhone or Android app today. Stay connected, stay compliant, and elevate your business communication. Sign up now and start texting your contacts instantly. Got questions? Text us at 1-415-849-4349.